Have a nice day, dear students. Welcome to English second paper online class brought to you by Al-Azim School and College. I'm Shimarani Bonik, assistant teacher of Al-Azim School and College. I know all of you are safe and sound. You know, due to COVID-19, government has taken a decision to close down all the educational institutions of the country so that you can prevent transmission. That's why your home is your classroom. And I know you are studying at home and follow our online class minutely and do your homework regularly. But at this moment, stay home, stay safe. Can you guess something about the picture? Yes, you are right. There are three pictures of ball. From the left, the blue ball is big. The middle yellow ball is bigger and the right red ball is the biggest. So dear student, what are we doing now? Now we are comparing the size of the balls. You know, every day we compare different things in different categories. So dear students, I know you have already guessed which lesson we are going to learn today. Yes, you are right. Our today's lesson or topic's name is degree of comparison. This is our topics. Today's topic name, degree of comparison. Learning outcomes. After completing the lesson, students will be able to tell the degree and degree of comparison. Number 2, describe positive, comparative and superlative degree of adjectives. Number 3, identify the structure of changing degrees. Number 4, change the degree of comparison without changing the meaning of the sentence. Now, let's move on to degree of comparison or topics. What is degree? Degree means comparison. And what is degree of comparison? The comparison of adjectives to indicate the difference of quality and quantity is called degree of comparison. Students, look. Here are three balls. One is big, bigger and biggest. These are the difference. And it is divided into three types. One is positive, second is comparative, and the last one and third is superlative. These are the degree of comparison. These are three degrees: positive, comparative and superlative. Now, first of all, we have to know what is positive degree. Positive degree, in positive degree there is no comparison. It just tells us about the existence of a quality, flaw or state. For example, he is a talented writer. Now, comparative. The comparative degree of an adjective is used to compare two persons or things with each other. For example, Rohim is taller than Karim. And last of all, superlative degree. The superlative degree of an adjective is used to compare more than two persons or things. it refers to the highest degree of comparison. For example, Rahim is the tallest of the 3 boys. There is a chart which helps you to identify the degree of adjectives or comparison: positive, comparative, and superlative. Positive degree tall, its comparative degree is taller, and superlative degree tallest. Accordingly, big, bigger, biggest; high, higher, highest; small, smaller, smallest; popular, more popular, most popular; famous, more famous, most famous; good or well, better, best; bad, worse, worst. Dear students, you have to memorize all these degree of comparison, all the differences. Now, move on to our today's structure. How to change positive, no other, into comparative and superlative. Our structure is: first, we will make it comparative. Its comparative structure is subject to verb plus comparative degree or positive degree plus then any other plus subject 1. Our question: no other person in the world is as great as he. According to our structure, first subject 2. Here subject 2 is he. Then verb. Here verb is. He is. Now comparative degree or positive degree, great is greater. Is greater. If you find no other in positive degree, then you have to write then any other. Then any other. After that, subject 1. Here subject 1 is person. And the other part of the sentence, in the world. So our comparative degree is, here is he is greater than any other person in the world. Now make a superlative degree. Our structure is subject 2 plus verb plus the plus superlative degree or positive degree plus subject 1. First, subject 2. Here subject 2 is he plus verb is plus the. The is used here. The is used here instead of no other. I mean, if you find no other in the positive degree, then you have to write the. And the and superlative degree, greatest. Then subject 1, person, and the rest of the sentence in the world. So our comparative degree stand: he is the greatest person in the world. Another structure: how to change positive, very few, to comparative into superlative. Now our structure of comparative degree: subject 2 plus verb plus comparative degree plus then most other plus subject 1. Very few metals are as valuable as gold. According to structure, subject 2 Here subject to is gold, so we have to write gold. Then verb. Here we have to write singular verb is, because our gold is singular. Plus comparative degree or positive degree, valuable is more valuable. And if you find very few in the positive degree, then you have to write then most other. Plus subject 1. Here subject 1 is metals. So our comparative degree stand, gold is more valuable than most other metals. Now superlative degree. The structure of superlative degree, subject 2 plus verb plus one of the plus superlative degree of the positive degree plus subject 1. Here subject 1 is gold. That's why you have to write gold. Then positive, then verb is, because the subject gold is singular number. That's why we have to write singular verb is. Then if you find very few in positive sentence, then you have to write one of the. That's why we have to write one of the. Plus superlative degree of the positive degree, valuable, most valuable, and subject 1 metals. Then we have to write metals. So our superlative degree is stand, gold is one of the most valuable metals. Now another structure, how to change positive as as into comparative. Our structure is subject 2 plus verb, affirmative or negative, plus comparative degree plus then plus subject 1. Our question is, he is as wise as his brother. If you find positive degree in affirmative in sense, then you have to make it comparative degree in negative sense. So look how to do. Our structure is subject 2. Here subject 2, his brother. That's why we have to write his brother. Then verb. Here verb is. And look, our positive degree is in affirmative in sense. That's why we have to write negative degree, I mean not. Negative word not. Then comparative degree of wise is wiser. Plus then. You have to make it comparative degree in association with then. Plus subject 1 he. That's why we have to write he. So our sentence stand is, his brother is not wiser than he. Our second question, iron is not as precious as gold. Our positive degree is written in negative in sense. That's why we have to make it comparative in affirmative sense. So our structure, subject 2, here subject is gold. Subject 2 is gold. That's why we have to write gold. Then verb is. And the comparative degree of precious is more precious. Plus then plus subject 1 iron. We have written the sentence in affirmative in sense because our question was negative in sense. And the last one, Tanish is as tall as Rudra. This sentence is also written in affirmative in sense. Then we have to make it negative comparative. According to structure, subject 2, here subject 2 is Rudra plus verb plus negative word not plus comparative degree of the word tall is taller plus then plus subject 1 Tanish. So our sentence is Rudra is not taller than Tanish. Dear students, now evaluation. What we have learned today. What is degree of comparison? Yes, you are right. How many types of degrees of what are degrees and what are they? Okay, you are also right. Thank you. Tell the comparative and superlative degree of famous and bad. Thank you very much. You are right. Here are your homework and turn the following sentences as directed. The first one, no other animals is as ferocious as lion. Make it comparative. Number 2, very few boys in the village are as tall as he. Make it superlative. And the third, Goneril is not as good as Cordelia. Make it comparative. And the last one, number 4, very few districts of Bangladesh are as famous as Feni. Make it superlative. Dear students, now we are at the end of our today's class. I hope you enjoyed the class and don't forget to learn. Stay home, stay safe because you are our future Bangladesh. Mind it, you are our future Bangladesh. Thank you, goodbye and good luck.